Morning, guys. Tony Maritato here. Big thanks to HippoScribe and Janssen for sponsoring this video. We've been getting a lot of questions about the most current NCCI edits for physical therapy, occupational therapy, and speech language pathology. I am going to show you where to find the original information, the best source documents to make sure that you have the current information. I will also take the most common NCCI edits, produce a document, and I'll make it available to any of the HippoScribe users. But let me show you where to find the information because I know it can be kind of confusing. Let's go with sharing my screen. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick search. We're going to go CMS NCCI edits. It's going to take us to the Medicare website. We're going to click on that first search result. There's a ton of great resources in here, but what we're looking for is right there down here at the bottom, Medicare NCCI procedure to procedure edits. If I click on that and I scroll down, we want to find practitioners, PTP edits, and we want to go to the highest number and the most recent date. This is a zip file. I'm going to click on the zip file. It's going to download the zip file. I'm going to extract the database, and then we're going to take a look at that now. So this is what you're going to see. And what you're looking for primarily are these three boxes right here. A 0 means it's not allowed, which means the pair is not allowed to be billed together. A 1 means it is allowed, and you're going to be applying the 59 modifier to it. If you look, there are thousands and thousands of line items here. So what I like to do is I highlight all of column A. I hit Control F. I type in 97140 as an example. I click find, and it jumps me down to that part of the information. And then as I scroll down, I'm looking at column B, and you can see these are codes that we don't use. They don't apply to therapy services. So I keep scrolling down. This is where we get to the 97,000 series. And this is really the first code that kind of applies to me. So you can see here, if we're looking at 97140 manual therapy, billed on the same day as 97124 massage therapy, the code is 0, meaning it is not allowed to be billed together. But then if we look at some of the other ones, so here we've got manual therapy billed on the same day as a re-evaluation, 97164. We see a 9, which means not applicable. And then for the same combination of codes, we see a 1, which means we can do it. We just need to add the 59 modifier to it. So that would be one of our pairs that would say, if I bill manual therapy and 97161 or 164 reevaluation on the same date of service, I need to add the 59 modifier to 164 CPT code. You can see here 97530 when billed with 97110, not applicable. Same combination with 112, not applicable. But if we get into aquatic therapy, 113, we would need to add the 59 modifier. When we do therapeutic activity and gait training, we would need to add the 59 modifier. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. I hope that gives you some resources. I'll share the link. I'll share this document, and then I'll put together a couple of really the most common codes that therapists are coming across when they're trying to figure out the NCCI edits.